Ducks have attachment issues, something we soon found out after my daughter got a duck as a gift from her dad. They really need company. So, after much squawking and fussing and Googling the internet to find out what would soothe a young duckling, I found out that feather dusters were commonly used to hang in the pens with them. I guess they think maybe it's their mother. Anyways, I did not have a feather duster, so this is my little tutorial on how to make a hanging feather duster, play toy, whatever you want to call it. I added string. That's the reason why I say play toy. The duck loves to chew on the string. But it does sleep under it now, completely under the edge of it every night. When it gets stressed out during the day or wants to sleep, it goes under the edge of this little hanging thing. So enjoy this little life hack.